I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to create the Messenger bot persistent menu in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. The persistent menu is a small menu beside your Messenger chat widget for navigating to different bot flows and other links to your services. To start, navigate to Menu. Click Settings, then go to Channels and click on Facebook Messenger. Find Bot Persistent Menu and click the Edit button on the Language drop-down. You can choose multiple languages using the Language drop-down. To select default, just select Language. To do that, uncheck Allow Keyboard Input box. But we highly suggest that you always allow keyboard input. So, in this video tutorial, let's keep it checked. Click Add Item to start adding the buttons you want to appear on the persistent menu. Add a button title. You may choose between Start Another Flow or Open Website for the button action type. Once done, click Save. Now, let's check to see the results. There you go. We have just created your Messenger bot persistent menu in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.